In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canva templates that actually sell on Etsy. First, let's consider the concept of niching down to stand out in the marketplace. By focusing on a specific audience, you not only differentiate yourself from the competition, but also address the unique needs of that group. Think about profitable niches, like small business owners looking for price lists and brand kits, wedding planners needing elegant invitations and seating charts, or teachers searching for engaging classroom decor. Catering to these distinct groups with tailored templates can help you target the right buyers who are most likely to be interested in your products. Next, identifying best-selling template types is crucial for setting yourself up for success. Start by researching products on Etsy that carry bestseller badges or have numerous sales and reviews. These indicators show which templates are resonating with customers. Look for designs that solve specific problems or streamline processes. Think editable, Instagram carousel templates, digital planners, ebooks for coaches, or lead magnet templates for email campaigns. By offering solutions to immediate needs, you enhance the value of your templates and make them more attractive to potential customers. Now, when designing templates, it's important to keep real users in mind. Consider the ease of customization, the design elements that appeal to your target audience, and practical usability. Templates should not only look good, but also be functional and simple to edit, encouraging buyers to choose your product for its quality and user-friendliness. Utilizing SEO effectively will help your templates get found. Craft keyword-rich product titles while being descriptive. For example, an Instagram carousel Canva template might attract coaches looking to enhance their social media presence. Use all 13 tags available and think like a customer to enhance discoverability. Always aim to incorporate keywords naturally into your product descriptions, but remember, highlighting the benefits of your template takes priority over stuffing in keywords. Another element to consider is creating scroll-stopping listing images. These images are your first point of contact with potential buyers. They should be visually appealing and informative, giving buyers a clear picture of what they're purchasing. Moreover, offering value-packed bundles can be a unique selling proposition. Bundled templates provide more value at an attractive price point, potentially increasing the perceived value of your shop's offerings. Pricing strategically is key to staying competitive. Analyze similar products and find a sweet spot where perceived value meets affordability, encouraging those browsing to make a purchase from you. Don't forget the importance of automating delivery and providing excellent customer support. Facilitating secure, quick downloads and being responsive to customer inquiries enhances the shopping experience, potentially leading to positive reviews. Speaking of which, collecting reviews and building social proof is invaluable. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave feedback not only boosts your credibility, but also entices future buyers when they see that others have had positive experiences with your products. Finally, never stop updating and innovating your templates. Keep a pulse on emerging trends and regularly refresh your inventory to keep it exciting and appealing. As a bonus tip, certain tools can greatly assist you in your Etsy journey. Everbee can help with product research and finding those golden keyword opportunities. Meanwhile, websites like Creative Market or Pinterest are fantastic for drawing inspiration and spotting trends. For creating impressive mockups, consider using Canva itself or smartmockups.com. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to creating Canva templates that not only catch eyes, but also drive sales on Etsy.